Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to share some practical tips on how to get orders on Guru.com, one of the leading freelance platforms. Whether you're a seasoned freelancer or just starting out, these strategies will help you attract clients and secure orders. So, let's get started. Background music fades out. Optimize your profile. Host. The first step to success on Guru.com is creating a compelling profile. It's essential to showcase your skills, experience, and expertise in a way that captures clients' attention. Here's what you can do. Highlight your expertise. Explain your skills and experience concisely. Use keywords relevant to your niche to optimize your profile for search results. Showcase your portfolio. Include samples of your previous work to demonstrate your capabilities and build trust with potential clients. Obtain positive reviews. Ask satisfied clients to leave feedback on your profile. Positive reviews significantly increase your credibility and chances of getting hired. Tailor your job proposals. Host. When submitting job proposals, it's crucial to stand out from the competition. Here are some tips to help you craft compelling proposals. Read and understand the project requirements. Tailor your proposal to address the specific needs and expectations of the client. Highlight your unique selling points. Emphasize why you're the best fit for the job and how your skills can solve the client's problem. Provide a clear breakdown of your services. Clearly outline what you'll deliver, the time frame, and any other relevant details. This helps manage client expectations. Be responsive and professional. Host. Being professional and responsive is key to building a good reputation and securing orders. Here's what you should keep in mind. Promptly respond to messages and inquiries. Clients appreciate timely communication, so aim to reply within 24 hours. Be polite and professional. Maintain a courteous tone in all your interactions, showcasing your professionalism and commitment. Clarify doubts and ask questions. Seek clarification if anything is unclear, demonstrating your interest in understanding the project requirements thoroughly. Network and promote yourself. Host. In addition to utilizing the platform, you can actively promote yourself to expand your reach. Here's how. Leverage social media. Share your work, achievements, and testimonials on platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, or Instagram to attract potential clients. Join industry-related groups and forums. Engage with other professionals, offer insights, and establish yourself as an authority in your field. Attend networking events. Attend virtual or physical events relevant to your niche. This provides opportunities to meet potential clients and expand your professional network. Conclusion. Host. And there you have it. By optimizing your Guru.com profile, tailoring your job proposals, being responsive and professional, and actively promoting yourself, you can significantly increase your chances of getting orders on Guru.com. Good luck, and happy freelancing. Background music fades in. Host. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more freelancing tips and tricks. If you have any questions or additional tips, please leave them in the comments below. Until next time, take care and keep freelancing.